Bruce from Safari, and look at this beautiful LC200 belonging to Kevin Tognelli from WA. Kevin, how are you?
Yeah, good, thank you, Bruce.
And we've got the big zone here behind, but look, tell the viewers here, Kevin, why you've put the upgrade in.
Well, we're wanting to travel for 3, 4, 5 years around Australia and remotely as possible when we can. And to do that, we were wanting more solar input from the roof and the panels, battery storage as well, and then also having the ability to charge on the run at maximum and also run the aircon to keep the van cool for when we park up at night.
Excellent. So Kevin's got a Scotty tucked in the back here. How did you like that install?
Yeah, that was nice, really neat, and it's going to be a beautiful addition to the setup.
All right, very good, Kevin. Thank you for your business, and I have to say, how good's that?